4G. How institutional policies can support CPD participation. One of the principal barriers to academics' participation in CPD is the lack of institutional rewards and clear human resources policies for becoming involved. For example, 1. There are often no teaching-related criteria for the appointment of academic staff or incentives for the development of pedagogical skills throughout their careers. This has been the result of diminishing motivation to learn and innovate. 2. In most institutions, salaries of academics depend on their publications and the amount of teaching hours, not on the quality of their teaching. 3. Measuring research outputs is quite straightforward. For example, the number of citations, number of articles published in top journals, etc., while teaching performance is more subjective and intangible. 4. Research has a higher status than teaching in higher education because it is a source of prestige at the institutional level. Global university rankings principally measure research outcomes. So, what are the possible solutions to this? Possible solutions which can be embedded in the policy to these issues could be to balance the two higher education functions of research and education so that the former does not dominate, and provide motivation for academics to develop their teaching by 1. Improving the transparency of hiring and promotion schemes, including teaching-based promotion. 2. Providing institutional support for teaching best practices. 3. Engaging with initiatives which can improve funding and develop teaching competencies. Also look at Activity 3C in this course. So, what examples are out there? Examples of innovations which can support academics' pedagogical development are 1. Annual awards for teaching excellence. 2. An annual teaching and learning showcase event. 3. Reimbursement of time spent on CPD, for example, the provision of free days. So, how does policy fit into all this? The Human Resources Division of an institution can create policies that have an effect on academics' teaching careers. In the analysis of the 9 case studies of CPD in European institutions, which we also covered in Activity 4B, researchers found that in some projects there was improvement in teaching competence, improved career opportunities, especially in institutions which assess the teaching abilities of their lecturers. Similarly, academics who improved their digital skills were more competitive in their field. Also, where institutions have embedded CPD in human resources policies, academics had better promotion and mobility opportunities. CPD might result in success in receiving teaching-related grants and awards, promotion based on teaching quality, and academics becoming experts and leaders in the field of teaching excellence. Maintaining CPD records demonstrates a commitment to the profession and enriches one's CV. Participation in CPD make academics aware of the importance of reacting and adapting more readily to a dynamically changing professional world. Note that all the suggestions made here are types of extrinsic motivation to engage academic staff in teaching and learning. While these can work, they should be combined with types of intrinsic motivation, and this will be discussed in activities 2A and 3F.